All right, here's our packing the car video for what we got today. We spent $118. I said that I didn't want to spend more than $100, but we got the new Dubai chocolate, you guys, so we couldn't say no to that. Could not. It's open, babe. Could not say no to the Dubai chocolate. So,
plus we got sausages.
Open my drink. Be careful, my drink. My drink.
Oh, it fell.
Come on, man.
It drinked all over the place.
It better not have, did it?
No. Come on.
All right, we've got, let me show you.
Come on, Rach.
Grass-fed patties. Chicken and apple sausage. I'm trying to grab it. Wagyu ground beef. Do you have room for the eggs?
Yeah, put the eggs in there.
Eggs. They don't have the good organic stuff. I do want to put this, or do we want to do a taste test? Later we'll do a taste test. Cherries.
Put them on the top.
Dubai, we're going to do a taste test with that. And that's it. The rest of it is Cape Cod chips, sweet potato chips. So we got those. And of course, can you grab the toilet paper, babe? And we got toilet paper. So, dang. That's it. Thank you.